Installation complete. Torque specifications confirmed. Proceed to phase 2.
The high-performance exhaust is installed into place, enhancing the car's power, speed, and sound while ensuring it meets regulatory standards.
Torque is good.
Engaging the strut. Clear?
Clear. Lift it slowly.
The rear bumper is fitted. Precision is key to ensure the bumper lines up with the rest of the bodywork and complements the Lamborghini's signature styling.
We're showing green across the board now.
Perfect. I've secured the tie rod.
Check the rear left camber again. It's still slightly off.
Okay, adjusting now. How's that reading?
Perfect. We are optimized.
Panel alignment is perfect here.
Confirmed. No flaws detected.
Gauge reads perfect. The contour is flawless. Excellent.
I'll finalize the report for the hood section.
Initiating pressure sequence. Bring it to redline.
Confirmed. Sustained max output achieved.
Torque's good.
Perfect fit.
Let's hear it.
That side is complete. All green on the tablet.
Yes, all parameters met. Let's move forward.
I'm getting a slight anomaly reading on this sensor array here.
Let me cross-reference the diagnostic data. It appears within the acceptable range.
Still reading high on the rebound.
Okay, 2 clicks back. How's that look?
Much better. We're within tolerance now.
Thermal analysis shows perfect distribution. I've set the caliper tension to spec. Data confirms optimal stopping power. The system is secure.
The connection is secure. Run the diagnostic. Pass the illumination test. Ready for sealing.
The gap is holding steady at 0.05.
Excellent. The alignment is factory perfect. The alignment on the upper hinge is still slightly off.
Okay, applying 5 Newton meters now. Check the gap again.
Perfect. It's completely flush.
All pre-shipment checks are complete. Vehicle meets quality standards and is ready for sign-off.
All systems passed and panels aligned, ready for sign-off.
Excellent. Finalizing the report now.
There is a slight inconsistency on the hood alignment right here.
Confirmed. I am logging it now.
Everything on the exterior scan checks out.
Same for the cabin, no defects found.